to my channel. Today on my channel I will be teaching you how to bake cookies. Here are the ingredients I will be using today. Right here I've got chocolate chips ready. Here I've got baking soda ready. Here I've got eggs ready. Here I've got brown sugar ready. Here I've got flour ready. Also, I've got my butter ready. Here I've got my vanilla ready. And also here I've got my white sugar ready. Over here I've got my baking pan ready. Before I start baking, if you want to know the measurement of the ingredients I used for my baking, go to the description below and you will find it there. Now let's get baking. First, I'm going to mix my dry ingredients together. In goes my baking soda and mix. Afterwards, I'm going to set it aside and then start mixing my other ingredients. As you can see, my butter is already inside my bowl and I'm just going to add my white and brown sugar. Afterwards, whisk. Afterwards, I'm going to add my vanilla extract. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and whisk. After whisking, I'm now going to add my eggs. I'm adding my eggs one after the other. In goes my egg, whisk. After whisking, in goes the other egg and whisk. Whisk until you see it's properly mixed and then add your flour. In goes my flour. I'll be using my sieve. As you can see, afterwards, whisk again. Now mix it properly until it's formed a nice cookie dough. As you can see in my video, it has been properly mixed and the dough is perfecto. As you can see, I've just added my chocolate chips and mix. After mixing, I'm now going to scoop them and place them on my baking tray. Look at that. This is looking really nice. So next, I'm just going to add a little bit of chocolate chips on my cookie to make it look yummy and chocolatey. As you can see, it's finished, it's ready. I'm now going to put them inside the oven to bake. Just to let you know, my oven was turned on while I was mixing my dough. Gas mark 5. Now, I'm going to allow it to bake for 10 to 15 minutes and we'll come back and see what it looks like. It has baked for 15 minutes now. And my cookie is ready. Look at that. Cookie is looking yummy. Ooh, I just had a bite. Delicious. Honestly, you can't go wrong if you follow my recipe. You will surely enjoy your cookies. As you can see, my cookie is already in the jar for my family to dig in. This right here will be perfect with a glass of juice or a glass of warm milk. Guys, what are you waiting for? Have you already subscribed to my channel? If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, go to the right side of your phone and press subscribe. Also, turn on the notification button so whenever I post my video, you will be notified. Also, do not forget to like, do not forget to share. I'm sure you guys enjoyed today's video. Also, have a beautiful new month and I wish you and your family wonderful blessings. Bye bye. Ciao.